Welcome to part 3 in the interior modeling and rendering series. Today we are going to model a coffee table in Rhino. If you want a copy of the table, you can download the digital files for free with the link in the description. Videos are posted every week, so don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. Alright, let's get into the video. Now we want to make a rug. So now we're in our top view. It's like a bird's eye view. Or a plan view if you're an architect. And this is going to be our rug, and we want it to be 3 millimeters off the ground. Cute. Let's center it a little bit. Lovely. So now we have a rug, and we're going to grab a sphere, and we'll just connect it to this edge. We'll move it later, but I just want to make sure that it's on top of the rug. And what is our radius going to be again? Let's make it 100. Is that too small? No, it's like a cute little coffee table. Okay. Lovely. We'll go to our right and make sure this is sitting on top of our rug. And then go to top view. And do we want 1 or 2? Let's make... Yeah, let's make 2. Alright, so hold... Oh, that's not what I wanted. Let's move this, hold control, and it'll duplicate it. And then now we're gonna get a cylinder. It's approximately in between these 2 points. And it's also going to be, 5 millimeters tall. It's gonna be our glass tabletop. And we want it to be more of an ellipse instead of a circle. So we're just gonna play with the scale on either side. That looks pretty good actually. I like that. Okay, now perspective. Ooh, it's in the ground. Let's have it sit on top. Yeah, it's pretty good. In part 4, we are going to model a vase in Rhino using Sub D. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out. See you then.